In this quick video, I'll show you how to send any number of gas certificates and an invoice together to your customer in one single email. This works on both the web portal and mobile apps, but we'll start with the web portal in this video. To do this, the first thing you need to have is a job created underneath your customer in the software. If you create all your records for the same job, then the software will know to attach them together in the email at the end. So let's walk through an example together. In this case, we're going to create a homeowner gas safety record for a job that we already have set up. Once you've filled out all the necessary information on the certificate, over here, instead of clicking Approve and Email, we're just going to click Approve. This issues the certificate but does not send any email to your customer. Now, supposing the job is finished, we can go ahead and create an invoice for the same job. Once the invoice has been created, we can then go ahead and click Approve and Email. This will issue the invoice and open up the email editor. Down at the bottom in the attachments section, you'll see that the invoice is attached over here, as well as any photos that you may have added to the job, and any certificates that you've created. You can freely uncheck or check any of these things that you want to send to your customer, but supposing we left them all checked, the customer would receive one single email with all their records there. Clicking send does the job. So now we'll move on to the mobile apps. The process works exactly the same on the mobile app compared to the web portal. As long as you create your record and your invoice underneath the same job in the software, when you go to send that email, it will give you the option to attach them all. For example, if we created a homeowner gas safety record for this example job over here. At the end, when you go and click Approve, you have two options on the app. You can either email it or preview it. Instead of clicking Email, we're just going to preview this record. This will issue it, but will not send anything to your customer at this point. Now, if we click on Home, if we then were to create an invoice for this job, now with the same pop-up, instead of clicking Preview, we're going to click Email. This will not only issue the invoice, but will also open up the email editor. Here you can see that we have the invoice attached, but we also have the gas safety record that we just created as well. So this single email will send both to your customer. And there you go. That's how you attach several records in one email.